thought to make a pumpkin soup. Of course, a healthy version of pumpkin soup. So, today is the day where I want to share with you my pumpkin recipe. And let's get started. Hi, I'm Fauzia. Think healthy, live healthy. And I want to share with y'all my recipe of pumpkin soup. So, let me first explain you what I'm going to use to make the very nice tasty pumpkin soup. Okay, let's get started. So there we have the pumpkin. And then the ingredients I'm going to use is the pepper seeds, cloves, and a bit of cinnamon sticks. I'm gonna take some onions, a small piece of onion is enough, and with low-fat butter, and half of the orange juice. This is the ingredients I'm gonna use to make healthy version of a pumpkin soup. Okay, first we need to peel the pumpkin. So first of all, we're gonna cut the pumpkin. So here at the top. Okay, and then here. So pumpkin is ready now to put it in the pan to cook. So bring it on the other side. So here I have the pan ready to put this all in. So now I'll put it to cook. And so I'll add some warm water. I warm the water in advance to add a little bit water to let it cook. Get a nice juice. And cover this. So this looks quite good. We keep this on the side. And now we're gonna fry that. As I said, like I want to use some onions into that and to make a nice sauce of it, and add some, as I already mentioned, clove and some cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon stick, we can grate it a bit more. So, and cloves and pepper. So, and put some onions in it. We're not going to fry that like deep, but just leave it like, get some nice taste. Should be light brown, not dark. So while this is cooking, we go in that. So now I'm going to do this. So that looks quite good. So we'll blend this a bit. So that looks quite good. So we need to add some more water. It's quite thick. So this on the side. So this is like that's how it should be. And we're gonna mix this here and let this cook for a short while. Like this. Lots of people add some carrot into that if you like to. I personally don't do this. So this is now cooking a bit more. So it looks good. I'll let this cook more. In the meantime, I'll add some salt and pepper. This here in this oil so we get the nice creamy taste. It's quite hot, so I have to be careful. So the soup is so far ready, and so what we need to add now is some fresh orange. I'm just using the half of the orange to get that fine taste in it. So it's like creamy and fresh. So, now the soup is ready to serve it. So it's ready now, and try it with some bread or have it just like that. But I did not add any carrot into it because I like it pure pumpkin into it only, and with some ingredients. I fried some onions in very light butter to get that creamy taste into that. I added now with the cream, fresh cream is in that, to have a nice creamy taste. Try this out and let me know. I mean, there are many other varieties how to make the pumpkin soup, but I prefer this one. So try this and let me know how you like this, and please subscribe my channel, and if you like this recipe, click the like button, and I'll come with some more videos. So enjoy that, and happy Halloween!